Hi everyone, welcome to LCC Food. I am Jeenal Mehta and today we are going to make pie crust. For that, we'll take 1 cup of maida in a bowl, 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar and mix it well. Now we'll take this on a hard surface and add half cup of chilled butter, and with the help of a bread scraper we'll cut the butter and mix it with the maida. Keep cutting and mixing it with the maida till it is completely mixed. Now with the help of your fingertips gently mix the maida and the butter till it gets the texture of the breadcrumbs. Once we get the texture like breadcrumbs, we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chilled water and bind the dough together. We don't have to knead the dough, just have to bind it so that the crumbs are not broken. We have to keep mixing it very gently till it becomes like a dough. And now we'll wrap it in a clean foil and keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Now our half an hour is done, so we'll roll our dough into a pie. Now we'll take some maida on the hard surface and roll a thin pie. If your sides break, don't worry, you just have with the hand you can just join them again and keep rolling. And you can take the dry maida occasionally. Now we've rolled our pie dough and we'll transfer it in a pie tin. I have taken a 5-inch pie tin. If you don't have a pie tin, you can even use a 5-inch normal cake tin, but please don't forget to put a butter paper inside it. The dough has stuck to the surface. Just with the help of a knife, you can release it. And while transferring it in a pie tin, if your dough breaks, don't worry. You can easily join it. It will not be able to be seen while baking. Once you remove all the excess dough from the tin, with the help of your hand, gently press it and stick the dough to the tin. Now with the help of a fork, we'll poke the dough so that it doesn't rise while baking. We'll even poke the sides of the dough. Now we'll bake our pie in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. We can even make smaller pies from the same dough. We can approximately make 10 to 12 pies from the dough. So now we are going to make a savory dish from the big pie. We are going to make exotic vegetable in white sauce. For that we need 1 cup of exotic vegetable cooked in white sauce. And we'll put some cheese on the top and bake it again for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. And we are making Nutella pie from the small tarts. For that, we'll fill our tarts with Nutella and garnish it with some powdered sugar. And our sweet and savory pies are ready to be served. I hope you've enjoyed our recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on our Instagram page @LCC Food. Thank you.